Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. BCom for the economically disadvantaged. Evening course admission 2025. St. Anthony's College, Shillong invites applications for BA honors in Khasi or philosophy. And BCom management, evening courses 4 o'clock, 7 p.m. Monday to Friday strictly for financially poor students who cannot afford higher education, have low percentage in Class 12, preference given. Fees, Rs 9,000 per year, payable in installments. Continued annually if academic performance and attendance are satisfactory. How to apply? Apply online at https://admission.anthonys.ac.in. Select Evening SACSAA option. Upload necessary documents. For help, email sacsao@anthonys.ac.in with Class 10 and 12 marksheets and 2 contact numbers. Started in 2014. The program is supported by the college and alumni to help students access higher education and employment. Slogan, come grow with us, St. Anthony's.